Welcome back guys, Amar here from Magic Coding, and in this video and probably in the next few videos we are gonna focus on getting the gameplay done. After we're done with our gameplay, we're gonna go to fancy stuff, adding some more things to it. Now today actually we are going to our ball script, so let's go to our ball script and we are gonna not print not print hit the wall or print level up. We are actually gonna do something with them, and we will even add if target dot tag equals to what's called color bump. We are even gonna change our color. First we are gonna do our hit. Our hit will be pretty simple. We're just gonna destroy our target.transform.parent.gameObject. It's quite simple as that. Let me just go and test it to see if it's working properly. There is nothing that should not be wrong, but as you can see, it's pretty much simple. If you hit it, the ball will be destroyed as a whole. Then we are gonna have our color bump. Now to do our color bump, we are actually gonna go to update color method, where we are gonna add another boolean, which will be our rising, or actually is rising, like this, is rising. So if, or is increasing, never mind. Now we're gonna check if is rising, so is rising is true. No need to put like double quote true because it's a boolean, and just by having is rising we are checking if it's true. If you add an exclamation mark, it will be if it's not true. Now if it's rising, we're gonna say that our current color equals to color dot lerp, and we are lerping our mesh renderer, so mesh renderer dot material dot color to our game object dot find object with tag, and we are searching for the color bump, and then in parentheses we're going to add the clone, because this is how it's called in hierarchy, dot get component, and we're getting its script, so color bump script dot get color. So we're going to get that color because that is the color that we are changing in. And last but not least, we have to add our lerp amount. So I'm gonna actually have space and then here lerp amount. So come on, lerp amount. I haven't added it. So go to float, so private float lerp amount. Now, after that, we are gonna say that our lerp amount plus equals to our time dot delta time. Then below our is rising, we're gonna check if our lerp amount is greater or equals to 1. Then we are gonna say that our is rising, so is actually just is rising, come on, is rising equals to false, like this, is rising equals to false, and that will be pretty much it. Now, in our color bump itself, we are gonna add that our lerp amount equals to 0, and is rising equals to true. Pretty much simple as that. Now, if we hit the what's called the color bump, we're gonna change slowly to the color. Now, why are we even adding this lerp amount? Why haven't we just added color lerp? Well, because if you just leave it at color lerp, it will go from 0 to 1, and color lerp will go to 0.5. That's why we're checking if we are getting to the 1, then we are done. Unless that is true, we are not gonna proceed. So let me go back to Unity and test it out. I hit play, and come on, if we hit the color bump, if I wasn't recording, it will go smoothly, but as you can see, now we are always getting the same color as we had first. So right now we got a different color, And if we go past through the color bump, we should change our color. So clone, and as you can see, I have misspelled it. Actually, here we are searching for the tag of color bump, not color bump clone. I probably thought of searching for the game object itself, not the tag, and that was the big mistake I can see. And voila, we get it right now. So if I go, we should change. As you can see, you saw that slowly it changes to blue, which is pretty nice, and I like it. Now, last but not least, we're gonna go and create our I enumerator. So I enumerator, and we're gonna create our play new level. That's function that we're gonna create. Yield, so yield, return new wait for seconds, and we're gonna wait 1.5 of a second. Before even we wait for 5 seconds, we're gonna get our camera.main.get component, and we are searching for the camera follow. Once we get it, we're gonna say .enabled equals false. So we're gonna stop having our camera following our ball. After 1.5 of a second, we're gonna say that our move equals to false. So we have to actually wait and click. So our ball can move. Then we're gonna flash. You saw that in preview when it becomes white and then comes back. Then we are gonna increase level ++. Then we're gonna say that our camera.main.get component camera. I'm just gonna copy this and put it to be true. No need for me to do double the work. True. And we're gonna say game controller.instance.generate level like this. So if we get to the end, which I'm gonna do right now, but I'm gonna skip, or actually I cannot skip, but we will have to wait. But our thing is going slowly. And what? If transform.ball position, okay, I see. Where is our ball? So we have to spawn every time our color bump. Where is the thing that we were searching? If ball -1, that now we will always spawn the color bump. That was the problem because I was checking if it's greater or equal to, which will never get to it. That means that we will never spawn. And this is the reason that we need always to spawn our color bump so we don't get that problem. Now, once we always have our color bump spawned, we will not deal with this problem no more. So just put -1 to it, or actually you can revert it and put it to 9, 10, 11, it doesn't matter. And we hit the finish line, but we haven't added the ball, so we haven't even called out it. So let me go. Where is it? Finish line. Start coroutine, and we're gonna start play. So play new level. So let me go ahead and test it out, so I can show you what kind of effect are we getting. So basically, we're just gonna stop our camera movement. We will check on our ball. That will go, and after 1.5 of a second, we're gonna go back and generate another level. So like this, come on, this, we'll hit it one more time. There we go, and voila, we have a problem. What's this? Camera.main.component, and of course, I haven't tagged my main camera with the main camera tag. I'm not gonna do it anymore. That will just drag on the video, but actually that will be it. So you can go and test it out, and you will see that it will work. Or actually, you know what? I am gonna test it, but I'm gonna bring up our finish line. Where is it? Come on, bring it here. Let me test. Come on. Why did I do that? So 1.3. So let me put it at 1.3. And as you can see, when we hit it, we're gonna stop our camera, and after some seconds, we are gonna finish. But I actually forgot to put here z equals to 0. We have to reset our ball.z. So ball.z, so you can know what is going on. Ball.z will be reverted to 0 and we will start once again. So yeah guys, that will be it for this video. Hope you like it and I will see you in the next one.